So Jethro and I came out here to put some of the inflatables up, and well, mostly Jethro wanted to play with his ball, or whatever this remnant of a ball is. We'll just call it a U. So Jethro wanted to play with his U, and we were gonna set up the inflatables, and these people rolled up in a truck, and they jumped out, and I'm like, well, what's going on? And they're like, someone nominated you, and you won like the coolest lights in Troy contest. And then they jumped out with the sign and took some pictures, and I'm like, well, I'm like not quite done yet. I got a few more things I'm working on, and I just told him about the YouTube channel. I'm gonna put something up here, like guess how many LEDs are in this tunnel, and I think I have an extra set of lights, so maybe I'll do like a contest to whoever guesses closest to the correct number of LEDs in the tunnel gets a set of these lights. But yeah, it was totally random. Jethro was very happy to have someone, except he ran out in the street, didn't you? You're not supposed to do that. It was okay. It was a special occasion. So, yep, that just happened. That is all.